packed session of general knowledge. We hope it informs, inspires, and entertains you. So I would like to call Sonam Lote.
Hello. President, President of India. The President is the ceremonial head of the country. Currently, Mrs. Draupadi Murmu holds the position. She is the first ever woman President of India. The President resides at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. She is also the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces. Thank you.
So I would like to call Sri Kirman.
Prime Minister. The Prime Minister is the head of government. Shri Narendra Modi is the current Prime Minister of India. He leads the executive branch of India. PM resides at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg in New Delhi. He represents India globally.
So I would like to call Tanzil Rake.
Chief Justice of India. The CJI is the head of Indian Judiciary. He leads the Supreme Court of India. CJI ensures justice and legal integrity appointed by the President of India. Current Chief Justice of India, Bhushan Ramakrishnan Goi. Justice B.R. Goi take oath as the 52nd Chief Justice of India on May 14, 2025.
So I would like to call Tanzil Natel.
Indian Constitution. The Constitution is the supreme law of India. It came into effect on 26 January 1950. It lays down fundamental rights and duties. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was the chief architect. It is the longest written constitution in the world.
So I would like to call Temanandu.
Supreme Court of India, the highest judicial form in India, located in New Delhi. It has the power of constitutional review. Established on 28 January 1950, judges are appointed by President of India.
So I would like to call Urgen Doje.
Indian national flag. It has three horizontal stripes: saffron, white, green. Ashoka Chakra is at the center, symbol of pride and unity. Designed by Pingali Venkaya. Adopted on 22 July 1947.
So I would like to call Karma Bulma.
India's National Space Agency, founded in 1969 by Vikram Sarabhai, responsible for space research and exploration, launched Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan, headquartered in Bangalore.
So I would like to call Tanzil Shukit.
Tabo Monastery, located in Tabo, Lahore. Tabo Monastery, located in Tabo, Lahore, Spiti, Himachal Pradesh, one of the oldest Buddhist monasteries in India, founded in 996 AD by Rinchen Zampo, known as the Ajanta of the Himalayas, rich in murals and ancient sculptures.
So I would like to call Karma Garden.
Rifle fighter jet. Rifle is the first fighter jet made by France. It can fly at a speed of about 2000 km per hour. It can attack target on land and in the air. India uses Rafale for its strong defense.
So I hope you entertained this 8th class presentation.